Welcome to DS Core General. In this tutorial, you will learn about merging patient records, which helps you manage potential duplicates efficiently. This step ensures that your patient database remains consistent and accurate, which is crucial for efficiencies in your day-to-day tasks. Here is how you can do it.
Our system constantly and automatically detects duplicates, so you don't have to worry about manually checking for them. When you open the patient list in your database, you'll notice that potential duplicates are automatically highlighted. This makes it easy to spot any records that might need merging. This is especially important for practice management system integration, as it ensures a consistent patient database and eliminates the risk of working within the wrong patient record. Our system uses several criteria to detect duplicates. The card ID is identical, but there are differences in the first name, last name, or date of birth. The card ID is different, but the first name, last name, and date of birth are identical. All parameters are identical. This issue might arise when CEREC systems are connected before the patient list is imported from Sidexis 4. It is observed in older DS Core accounts that use an outdated Sidexis 4 connector. If you decide that a merge is necessary, you can select the leading patient record. This will be the primary record that other patient data will be merged into. All media fields, including Canvas, SUSM, and meta information, from the other patient record will be transferred to the leading patient. This ensures that all relevant data is consolidated into one comprehensive patient record. By following these steps, you can easily merge duplicate patient records and maintain a clean, accurate database on DS Core. This functionality not only saves you time, but also enhances the quality of patient care by ensuring that all information is up to date and correctly assigned.
And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new features and functionalities for DS Core Diagnose, Plan and Make. Thank you for watching.